Everyone online is screaming the same thing. Post every day, build your personal brand, go viral, dance on TikTok, grind on Instagram. What if I told you there are people making $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month, and they have 0 followers? No face, no camera, no content schedule. This is called quiet income, and it's one of the most underrated ways to make money online right now. Stay with me. Quiet income is money earned through systems, not audiences. You're not selling your personality. You're not chasing the algorithm. You're setting up an asset, something that works while you sleep, while you eat, while you do literally anything else. Think of it like this. A social media creator rents attention. Quiet income builders own the infrastructure. The 3 biggest categories right now: digital products, licensing, and arbitrage. Let's break them down fast. Number 1, digital products with no social presence required. Here's the play. You create a PDF guide, a Notion template, a Canva kit, a spreadsheet system, something genuinely useful, and you list it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhive. These platforms have their own search traffic. People are already hunting for solutions. You just have to show up in the results. A single Notion productivity template has sold over 40,000 copies on Etsy. The creator? Completely anonymous. No YouTube channel, no Instagram. Just a well-made product in front of existing demand. Your job isn't to build an audience. Your job is to solve one specific problem for one specific type of person, and put that solution where they're already searching. Number 2, licensing. This one shocks people. If you can write, design, photograph, or code, even at a basic level, you can license your work and get paid every time someone uses it. Stock music on Artlist or Epidemic Sound. Stock footage on Pond5 or Shutterstock. Digital illustrations on Creative Market. Code snippets and UI templates on Envato. Upload once, get paid forever. One guy on Reddit documented earning $100 in a single month from 47 stock music tracks he uploaded 2 years ago. He made them once. He hasn't touched them since. This is what quiet income actually looks like. Not passive in the fake guru sense, but genuinely recurring revenue from something you built one time. Number 3, arbitrage. And this is where it gets really interesting. Arbitrage means you find a gap between what something costs and what people will pay for it, and you sit in the middle. The hottest version of this right now is AI-assisted content arbitrage. Here's the model. You use tools like Claude or ChatGPT to help you research, outline, and draft niche ebooks or guides. You sell them on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and under a pen name. Niche is everything, not how to lose weight. More like intermittent fasting for women over 50 with thyroid issues. The narrower the niche, the less competition, the more likely someone searching that exact phrase buys your book. No followers needed, no face, no brand, just a well-targeted product in an underserved category. Here's the real reason most people never build quiet income. They've been conditioned to think online money requires an audience. So they wait until they have more followers, more confidence, more time. But quiet income isn't built on attention. It's built on placement. Are you in front of the right buyer on the right platform with the right solution? That's it. That's the whole game. You don't need to go viral. You need to be findable. One good product and one good marketplace can change your entire financial situation without a single follower. If this opened your eyes to what's actually possible online, without performing for the internet every single day, you're going to want to stick around this channel. Because we go deep on the strategies that actually work. Not the hype, not the fluff. The real mechanics of building income online. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications. Because the next video is already going to make this one look like the introduction. Let's go.